Good morning YouTube. Here is an update on my story about Tesla and their promises and lack of delivery. So this car, briefly, go and watch, where's my thing, go and watch the video telling you the backstory. But very briefly, this car I bought as a damaged car in Australia, had it fixed to Tesla procedures and standards, had a promise of supercharging from them before I spent any money fixing it. Didn't go to them for fixing it for various reasons. When I got it here, it wasn't supercharging. Was told it needed to have a safety check, both a body and a service or technical check, before they could re-enable support and supercharging. So I had the inspection done. I got a document saying that it had passed that inspection, but then they refused to give me the things that they promised. So the previous video I complained, some fine people got in touch, especially via Tesla Motors Club, with opinions and also with a little bit of help. With that help, I was contacted by a guy from Tesla Executive Support, which, no idea if I'm an executive or even what an executive is. I thought an executive support was a chair. Anyhow, he took on the case. He basically seemed to be arguing with Australia and New Zealand, telling them that they had to meet their promises. As a result of that, I was finally given CHAdeMO charging, so I can now DC charge this car. So I've gone from it being 9 hours from empty to full to being 2 hours, which is still wonderful. It is wonderful, it's so much more useful. This car is now a useful car, but they still won't be giving me supercharging despite promising it. And they won't be giving me support. Now, the guy in America, he did a lot of good work, but after having got the CHAdeMO enabled, he basically said, "You're on your own, buddy. Get fighting Tesla New Zealand." So that's what I'm doing. I am going to take them to the disputes tribunal, which is kind of like a small, more affordable version of going to court. The maximum claim at the disputes tribunal is $15,000. So the purpose of this video, besides updating you, is what's the difference in value in a car between a Tesla with supercharging and without supercharging? How much of a difference in price would you put on a car, all other things being equal? Would you say it doesn't matter and so you'd pay exactly the same amount? I doubt it. Would you say it's worth nothing without the supercharging? I doubt that as well. But what difference? Please let me know in the comments below, down there, how much you think the difference in value to one of these is. And also, if you can point to any examples for proving how much that difference is, that would be very good. Good proof of the difference in value between a car with and without supercharging. And I guess with and without support as well. It's got no support and it's got no supercharging. And those are the two things promised me by Tesla. So thanks for watching. Please give me an intelligent answer. So far, YouTube, you've been very good at this. So yeah, I look forward to intelligent answers below, and thank you for watching. Thanks for all your help. I'll get Tesla to heal soon enough.